Welcome students. So in this video we are going to learn lesson number 9, discount and commission practice at 9.2. So first sum. John sold books with rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. So now here what do you mean by commission actually? Means what happens, suppose you want to buy a house, then what happened, the seller who is selling the house, he does not have contacts of all the people in the world, right? So he appoints agent. Different agents are there. You may have heard about this word agent. So different agents are there. What they do, those who want to buy the house, they collect information from the agents, and they communicate with each other. So what happened, the agent is getting some amount, some money as a commission. Okay, this is what commission known as. So let us begin our answer. Selling price of books is what? 4,500 rupees. Rate of commission is 15%. So commission obtained, just a second, here n will be there. Obtained is equal to 15 upon 100 into 4,500. So perform the calculation. This 2 zeros gone, this 2 zeros gone. Then 15 into 45, multiply it, you will get the answer 675 rupees. So therefore commission is 675 rupees. Second, Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid and find the amount received by Rafiq. Here commission तो पूछा है, लेकिन हमें what is the total amount received by the Rafiq, that also is being asked in this question. So let us begin. Selling price is equal to 15,000, rate of commission 4%, commission is equal to, now here for this formula is there to find out the commission. This formula you have to apply. Commission is equal to percentage commission into selling price, SP. So is equal to, what is the percentage commission? Always the percentage is calculated on 100 only. So 4 upon 100 into 15,000. Again these 2 zeros gone, these 2 zeros gone. Perform the calculation. 4 into 150 is equal to, after performing the calculation, you will get 600 rupees as a commission. Not you, that agent gets 600 rupees as a commission. Now amount received by Rafiq is also asked. So amount received by Rafiq is equal to, what is the cost of the flowers? So selling price of the flowers minus commission he paid to the agent. Minus commission paid you can write. So is equal to, replace what is the selling price of the flowers, it's 15,000 minus commission paid to the agent is 600. So do the subtraction, you will get the amount as 14,400. So this is the amount received by Rafiq. Okay, so therefore the commission paid to the agent is rupees 600 and amount received by Rafiq is rupees 14,400. Third, a farmer sold food grains for rupees 9,200 through an agent. The rate of commission was 2%. Okay, this is percent over here, just a second. Yeah, how much amount did the agent get? Okay, so that means commission is being asked. So a farmer have sold rupees 9,200 का फूड ग्रेन्स फार्मर ने सोल्ड किया है एजेंट के पास, थ्रू एन एजेंट. So let us begin. Selling price of food grains is equal to rupees 9,200. So rate of commission is 2%. That means 9,200 में से जो 2% है, वो जो अमाउंट मिलेगा आपको, वो एजेंट को पे करना है. किसको? फार्मर को एजेंट को पे करना है. Okay, so see again the same formula. Commission paid is equal to percentage commission minus selling price is equal to, as I told you, always the percentage is calculated upon 100. So 2 upon 100 into 9200. Again these two zeros gone, these two zeros gone. Perform 92 into 2. Calculate this. You will get the answer 184 rupees. So therefore the agent got rupees 184 as a commission. Okay, next. Use the given information and fill in the boxes with suitable numbers. SMT means here Srimati Dipanjali purchased a house for rupees 7,50,000 from Srimati Leelaben through an agent. Again here, as I gave you example, Dipanjali, she purchased the house. That means she is the buyer and Srimati Leelaben is an seller. So they did not contact each other directly, but instead they purchased it or they sold it. You can tell Dipanjali purchased and Leelaben sold through an agent. So agent had charged 2% brokerage, means 2% amount, you can tell, from both of them. Okay, so total 4% amount he is going to get. So now 5 questions have been asked below. You have to calculate and you have to give the answer. Here, as these boxes are very small and there was no sufficient place to write, so I written outside the boxes. Okay, first question. Srimati Dipanjali paid. How many she paid? 7,50,000 into what? Brokerage is also there. Okay, accepted that she had paid the brokerage to agent, but money is going to go now from her. So 7,50,000 into 2 upon 100 is equal to, again the same thing, cut 2 zeros from here, 2 into 7,500. Do the calculation, you will get 15,000. So rupees 15,000 brokerage for purchasing the house. She had just paid rupees 15,000 to an agent as a brokerage. So Srimati Leelaben paid brokerage of rupees dash. Now here Dipanjali paid 15,000 and then Srimati Leelaben will also pay 15,000 because what is given, agent had charged 2% brokerage from both of them. So the amount must be same. If you want, you can calculate and see again, but same answer is going to come. So Srimati Leelaben paid brokerage of rupees 15,000. Third question. Total brokerage received by an agent is 30,000. 15,000 Leelaben का brokerage और 15,000 Dipanjali का brokerage. Add 15,000 plus 15,000, you will get 30,000. Okay. Fourth. The cost of house Srimati Dipanjali paid is, what is the cost? It's rupees 7,50,000, but she have paid 15,000 as an addition brokerage to the agent. So what you will write here? 7,65,000. How? 7,50,000 plus this 15,000, you will add them. Okay, so you will get here 7,65,000. Fifth question. The selling price of house of Srimati Leelaben is rupees. How much? How much amount did she received? She received actually 7,50,000, but उसमें से भी so see here, agent has charged 2% brokerage from both of them. So उसे भी 15,000 rupees देने पड़े agent को. So actually she got 7,35,000 in her hand. Now how I did this calculation? 7,50,000 minus 15,000. You will get the answer 7,35,000. Thank you students for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with maximum number of your friends. Thank you.